Today, let's take a look at a factory-made building invented by Broad. Some people even take the steel structure for a luxury, however Broad pull-on building, as it's called, is made of stainless steel. Stainless steel is a super earthquake-resistant material and can keep our wealth from generation to generation. Not only is material good, Broad pull-on building also has adopted the nearly zero-energy building standard. 22 centimeters insulated exterior wall, 4-paned window, exterior shade, interior shade, fresh air heat recovery. Install it anywhere in the world, more than 90% energy can be saved. Not only is Broad pull-on building energy saving, it also uses the miraculous Broad Clean Fresh Air machine. Through 3-level filtration of coarse filter, electrostatic cleaner, high-efficiency filter, PM 2.5 is eliminated by 99.9% with high-volt static electricity to kill viruses, making indoor air more than 100 times cleaner than outdoor air. You can even see that the desktop has been dustless for 3 months without any mopping. What's more, Broad pull-on building is designed with 100% fresh air. Windows are not opened in rooms, yet the air is as fresh as outside air. For many years, Broad pull-on building has been seen as 3 floors a day. Even 10 floors a day, it has seemed very fast. The real reason is that Broad has worked hard up front. It took 14 years of silent development by around 1,000 employees. Finally, it's a modern industrial product produced by an automated, streamlined production. Only in this way can such building products solve the common dirty and messy phenomenon in the world's construction industry, including the most developed countries that face the same problems, so that building water leakage, electricity leakage, cracking, countless low-level errors can be eradicated fundamentally. Broad invented this factory-made building may set free billions of people who have been plagued with those perplexities each day on the earth.